Did you know a $300 yard sale truck could destroy your credit score forever? Yolanda Martinez bought an old pickup from a neighbor's driveway sale, but the seller's cousin worked at CarMax and had a twisted plan. He secretly reported Yolanda's cash purchase as a $15,000 auto loan that went bad. This wasn't just one case. Dozens of yard sale buyers found phantom car loans on their credit reports. The scam generated dealer kickbacks while innocent people's credit got destroyed. Here's how this fraud really works.